Hey, I heard that you're using choice boards in your classroom. How does that work?
It's fun because we get to like change activities. Like when we do like one and we're done with that, we get to go to another one.
Once we want to do, we could choose one that we want to do. So the one that we want to do, we cross it out. We make an X on that block with a yellow crayon. And then once we finish using it, we use the green crayon and cross it out. And there are many choices that we could choose from. And once you finish doing all 4 corners on there, on Friday we usually have a free choice that we could do.
Oh.
We use choice board. We use choice board for learning new things. Like every 2 weeks, because every 2 weeks she gets the choice board on. She gets the choice board on language arts, math.
We use them by you can choose one of the choices and you can explore to see what one you want to do.
Every unit we're given a choice board with a list of assignments that we do, and we get to pick which assignments we feel most comfortable with or what we feel like we need to start with, and then we're also given a due date on the day that the choice board is assigned. And it's just a really neat way of giving assignments.
To go on with the choice board, they have different numbers on them. The numbers we had this year was level 1, level 2, level 3, and 4. Level 1 would be vocabulary, starting to get the basics of everything, and then up to 4 would be all the higher assignments such as like readings, labs.
What is the coolest thing about using choice boards in your classroom?
My favorite thing, like she said, is about the pacing, because like if you're like at a green level but you get like a purple book for the not lower but like other people, it wouldn't be challenging. So like you'll stay the same grade, so you wouldn't go up or go down, just stay there. So then it'll give you like a least chance of getting like of growth. And then but now this choice board, this choice board helps us at our own grade level, so that it's like in the same level as we are, but just in a higher part of that level. So it will help us, challenge us, so we actually have a chance to go up or stay at the same or go up. So
The best thing about using a choice board for me is that people don't usually get to do choices. Like sometimes teachers just give them like ordinary stuff to do. On a choice board, you get to choose any activity you want to you don't know and learn.
And do you have to stay like if you're in the green choice board or blue?
oh no, yeah, you can go
Are you
up.
stuck there forever?
No, the next map test. If you go higher, you go in a higher group. If you go lower, you go
get into like the lower groups. So I mean, whenever everyone finishes the choice board, we take another map reading test, like in the next 2 weeks, I think, and then we do another one, or it's just we stay in the same group for like I think 5 weeks maybe, and then we do another book, and then just go on and on and on, and it's just basically that's all it is.
My last question would be this. What would you tell next year's teacher about using choice boards in that classroom?
I would highly recommend this for teachers, because I think not only will you see students understanding the concepts and curriculum better, you'll also see happier students, because it's just a weight lifted off our shoulders, because it helps with flexibility. There's a lot of flexibility in classrooms that use choice boards, and it really helps students that have a lot of stress that high school has for us.
I would tell my 5th grade teacher to use choice boards because it helps kids understand the concepts that we might be learning in class, and so they have a better understanding of reading and writing.
We come to this class and we have all this, not freedom, but the freedom to do the assignment we want, and having another teacher do the same thing as this would help me prepare for college, because this is what we're going to be doing in college, and it's just a really good idea for next year teachers.
What are you guys going to do in first grade?
Toy Swap!